Now turn to page 20. Here in page 20, we will learn about time management. What does time management mean in Junior 2? Time management means organizing and dividing your time between specific activities. You should divide your time between your priorities and things that you want to do. Why do we need good time management? It's important to have good time management because it helps us to get more work done in less time. To have a good time management, you must have a plan table. Okay? Here in page 20, we will use this table to make a plan for doing our homework for this week. Okay? So under time I will spend, you will write doing my homework. In this column, you will write the time you've planned, okay? And here, you will write the time you actually spent, okay? And here you will write your feeling. For example, for Sunday, if you expect that you will spend 2 hours doing your homework, so we write here 2 hours. And the time that you actually spend is 3 hours. So write here 3 hours. So how you will feel? You will feel sad because it took longer time, right? For Monday, if you expect that you will spend 3 hours doing your homework, so write here 3 hours. And the time you actually spend is 2 hours. So write here 2 hours. So how you will feel? You will feel happy because you finished before the time you planned. So write here happy. For Tuesday, if you planned that you will take only 1 hour, so write here 1 hour. And the time that you actually will spend is 3 hours. Write here 3 hours. I think you will feel sad because it took longer time. Write here sad. For Wednesday, if you plan that it will take 4 hours, so write here 4 hours. And the time that you will actually spend is only 2 hours, so write here 2 hours. So you will feel happy because it took shorter time, so write here happy. For Thursday, if you plan that it will take only 3 hours, so write here 3 hours. If the time that you will actually spend is 2 hours, so write here 2 hours. So you will feel happy because you are excellent and you finished before the time you planned. So write here happy. For Friday, if you plan that your homework will take 1 hour, so write here 1 hour. If the time that you will actually spend is 2 hours, so write here 2 hours. You will feel sad, right? Because it took longer time, so write here sad. For Saturday, if you plan that you will spend 2 hours doing your homework, so write here 2 hours. If the time that you will really spend is 1 hour, so write here 1 hour. You will feel happy because it took shorter time, right? Write here happy. This table is learning us the good time management planning. Okay, Junior 2. Now open page 21. Here we will know who is peacebreaker and who is peacemaker. First, who is peacebreaker? Peacebreaker is someone who disturbs public peace, be annoying for others, someone who is troublemaker and he bothers his friend, not following the rules and always making noise. But peacemaker is someone who keeps peace. He always uses great manners. He helps his friends. He does what he is asked. He never lies. He always tells the truth. And he also talks politely and helps others to solve their problems. Now we have some actions that we will decide if the one who is making these actions is peacebreaker or peacemaker. Let's start. First, tell the truth. If someone who is always telling the truth and never lies, what do you think? Is he peacebreaker or peacemaker? I think he is peacemaker, so we'll put it here under peacemaker. Then, break the rules. If someone who is always breaking the rules, is he peacebreaker or peacemaker? Peacebreaker, excellent. Then, talk politely. If someone who is always talking politely and respecting others, what do you think? Is he peacemaker or peacebreaker? Excellent, peacemaker. So we'll put it here under peacemaker. Then, fight. If someone who is always fighting with his friends and bothering them, what do you think? Is he peacebreaker or peacemaker? Excellent, peacebreaker. So put it here under peacebreaker. Then, help others. If someone who is always helping others and trying to solve their problems, what do you think? Is he peacebreaker or peacemaker? Peacemaker, right. Then, yell and scream. If someone who is always screaming and shouting and making noise, what do you think? Is he peacebreaker or peacemaker? Peacebreaker, excellent. Now open page 22. After we talked about who is peacebreaker and who is peacemaker, here we will learn how to be a peacemaker. In this page we have some strategies for peace, which means that we have some steps that I can do to be a peacemaker. The first one is ask for help. Example in class, if you have any question or something that you cannot understand, you will raise your hand and ask your teacher to help you, right? Or another example at home, if you cannot prepare your dinner, so you will go to your mother and ask her to help you to prepare your dinner. This is the first strategy, asking for help. The third strategy is say stop. For example, if someone is saying bad words, you should tell him please stop, okay? So the third strategy is say stop. The fourth strategy is apologize. Apologize means to say sorry. Okay, if you did anything wrong, you should say sorry. For example, if you broke your friend's toy, you should tell him sorry, right? You should apologize and say that you made something wrong. The next one is brainstorm solutions. This means to think slowly many times to find the best solution. For example, if you want to go to the club and it's rainy outside, you think what is the best solution? Either you may wear your jacket, but you still may get sick because it's rainy outside, or you may cancel it for another day till the weather is better. So, in this strategy, you learn to think slowly to make the best solution. The next one is talk it out. In this strategy, we need to express our feelings. For example, if you are happy, you should show that you are happy and say that I am happy. If you are angry, you should say it politely that I am angry. Okay, so in this strategy, we need to express our feelings. Okay? The next one is go to another activity. For example, if you are in the break and your friend is playing on the slide, you can go to the swing until your friend finishes. So you will avoid fighting, right? So this is another way to keep peace. The last one is compromise. Compromise means to be flexible. It's like making a deal between you and your friend to reach to the best decision. Example, if you and your friend are playing and he wants to play with the ball and you want to play with a toy, so you can tell him that you can play an hour with the ball and then play another hour with the toy. So like this you avoid fighting. So you are a peacemaker. So in this page we learned how to be a peacemaker. Now move to page 23. Here we will learn how to write a play. We will imagine our play about two brothers were fighting over a toy in their house, and we will try to solve this problem. Okay, so our topic is fighting over a toy. Then the second box is script. What is the script? Script is a writing that shows the conversation between the actors. For example, here we will choose Ali and Saif are our actors. Okay, so here we will write the dialogue of the fight. For example, Ali said, "It's my turn to play with the gun." Then Saif answered, "No, it's not." So Saif said, "No, it's not." Then their mother told Saif, "You can watch TV till your brother finish." We write here mom to Saif, "You can watch TV till your brother finish." So like this we solved the problem, right? Then move to page 24. Here we will find the word props. Props means the tools. What are the tools used in this play? We used gun and TV. Those are the tools used in this play. Then the word scenery. Scenery means the place where the play took place. Here the play took place in home, in the living room. So like this we have finished our play.